warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to deliver my procedure text entitled How to make paper bird. Step 1. Start with a piece of origami paper. 2. Make a diagonal fold. Next, make another diagonal fold. Next, fold the paper in half horizontally. Fold again on the other side. Pinch the paper to form a smaller square. Fold the right side. Next, fold the left side. Turn the paper to make equal rolls. Open the kite, turn the paper over. Turn the paper from the bottom to the top diagonal. Open the fold so that it turns into a diamond shape. Turn the edge of one of diagonal section down. Fold one wing down. Fold to flip the wings. Have done. From me about how to make paper birds. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.